Hey fam, welcome to my channel. I am Darika. If you're new here, please feel free, get comfortable, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Look around at the content that I create. If you find that you like it and you want more, please like and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for coming on back. Remember that you all are always welcome in this house. Stay tuned, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put DTF on a hat. This is the hat we're going to be putting DTF print on, y'all. I'm going to be putting my logo on this hat. So yeah, this is the hat we're going to use, and it is from Epic Sports. It is a Pacific headwear hat. This is the inside of it, and I will leave a link in the description of where I got what kind of hat this is in the description for you all. So yeah, come on y'all. Okay y'all, so I previously printed this image along with other images on my previous video, the one where I made the aprons and the oven mitt and the towels, where I put DTF images on those. If you want to know how this process is done, please go back and watch that video. But yeah, this is the image. This is my logo I'm going to be putting on my hat today. And this is the hat press I'm going to be using. I got this hat press from Pro World. I will link it in the description in case you want to get it. You want to know where I got it from. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, y'all. Okay, so I've got the hat on my hat press. I'm going to use some heat tape just to hold it down so it won't move. A couple of pieces of heat tape. Alright, I got it taped down. And I'm going, well, the tape won't stick to this hat for some reason, but I got it taped down. And I'm going to put a little bit of parchment paper on it. So you really don't have to, but I do just you know, to keep the image from burning. I never tried it without it. You may be able to, but my hat press is set on 280 degrees, and I'm going to press this for 10 seconds. Okay, we're done. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna let it cool for about a minute or so, and then we'll take it off. Okay, the image has cooled for about a minute or so. I am going to take the tape off, or the film off, and let's see what we got, y'all. Okay, so now that I have taken the film off the image, I'm going to press it again for about 10 more seconds, covering it with parchment paper. I like to do that so I can just make sure that it's fully adhered to whatever I'm pressing. So here we go, y'all. 10 more seconds. Alright, that's the 10 seconds. Alright. Take it off the hat press. Look, y'all. I know, as always, you ain't ready to leave my house. But guess what? You ain't got to go home, though, but you already know. You're going to have to go to my next video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, bye, y'all.